Okay, so I just found this fan, and it actually has a damaged blade, and I'm going to be repairing it. So this will be interesting. So what it was missing, I have a replacement blade right here too. Basically what it was missing was this cover that holds the blade in place. It goes like this. But yeah. So I'm gonna plug the fan in, and you'll see that it now it works, but it's making a lot of noise and vibrating on the shaft. So we can either do that, or it could vibrate on the shaft. Or even if it is on the shaft, we'll have horrible noises, as you can hear. Maybe it will move around, but as you can see, sometimes it will move itself around like that. So we'll go ahead and plug it. So like I said, it was missing this piece, the cover for the blade. Spinning it. So go ahead and do the first step, just to open this fan. We'll go ahead and put this part aside here. So the cover is off, and then of course with this blade, I'm gonna plug it back in here, and if I still run it, it'll still vibrate. Okay, so that's so this right here is the damaged blade, which will I'll eventually compare. So we'll put this blade to the side here. So basically what this so basically the blade was not in line with the two notches here on the motor shaft. That could be an indication that the fan is not running too great. I'm gonna run it one more time without the cages, so we'll go ahead and put the blade back on here. See, it's vibrating around here like that. And speed 1. Speed 2. So it vibrates a lot easier without the cages, so we will go ahead and take this blade off. It is warped here. I don't know if you can see, but I'll compare it with this other blade. So we'll go ahead and take this blade out of the way. Now we got our replacement blade. This one is a little darker, as you can tell from the other one. So I'm gonna run it again. Let's go ahead and see here. As you can see, much better in balance. No, it's not vibrating or anything. Much better, as you can see here. So, yeah. And this blade, as you can see, is more transparent, so yeah. Like I said, this is what it was missing, so yeah. Now for the last step, which is to put on the grill, as you can, as usual. And that's basically how you exchange a fan blade. So let's go ahead and give it a test now. Very easy repair. Doesn't take much to do, and it'll also save time. So, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.